Hi, my people. Welcome to Weathywise, and today we are looking at how to add other people to your page as admins on the new page experience. So you click on the top right corner, and it brings you to the page, to the menu where you see your page, and then go directly to professional dashboard, because Facebook has made some changes and upgrades with the new page experience. A lot of people are having challenges getting into page rows and the like, so it's now changed to professional dashboard. And on this page you'll be able to see your page overview, which shows you performance of your page and post engagement, reach and followers and the like. So today specifically we are looking at page access, because a lot of people are having challenges and inboxing me on how they can add other people to their pages. So go to page access for now, and then you will be able to see a page. I'll be taken to a page where you will be able to add other people. So there are two things here. There is Facebook access and there is task access. Facebook access gives people admin access to your page. They can remove you, they can change the name of the page, they can delete some followers and remove them and the like. So everything about your page will be changed by people who have Facebook access. Now, task access means only specific tasks are assigned to a particular person. So you can see that I already assigned Gops Brander to review insights and ads, and then I have not yet assigned any other person to have entire Facebook access. I'm the only one who has full access to the page. All other people will have access to ads, access to moderation, content posting and the like, but they can't change settings about the page. So with task access, it's easy for you to give other people some other responsibilities, especially if you are getting busy managing your page. And so this is all I wanted to show you, because a lot of people are having difficulties with a new page experience on how they can best manage it, because they were used with the old one. And thank you very much for joining me. For more tutorials, and if you have any questions about page management, if you need support, you can drop me a message, drop your comments, and thank you very much for joining me. On to the next tutorial, we are going to look at how you can go live and give other people access